Howdy, y'all. I'm Granny, that sassy, silver-haired southern troublemaker who's been wrangling photos for over 15 years. If your pictures are a hot mess, over-edited disasters, or just plain boring, welcome home, darlin'. Granny's gonna roast them, fix them, and make them print perfect. Buckle up, this ride's gonna get wild. Quick heads up, darling. This sassy granny talking to you, she's a little creation of mine. I'm a real woman over 60, short, wavy silver hair, blue eyes, glasses, the whole package. But I created her with some AI help and my own editing know-how. She's my spirit in digital form, here to help y'all shine. And yes, this granny's voice, that's mine too. Real sass, real love, no AI needed. Alrighty, enough about Granny. Let's get to the good stuff. So here's the deal, sugar. I'm no young influencer with perfect lighting and zero mistakes. I'm self-taught, award-winning, with over 100,000 photos and plenty of battle scars, creative blocks, tough clients, and way too many leaning buildings online that hurt my soul. There was this one morning. I headed out to do a shoot of the Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge in Dallas before it opened. Fog thicker than pea soup when I walked out of my home. Almost bailed. But I went anyway. And thank goodness I did. That Fog, Light, and Line series won a bunch of awards. It taught me passion ain't about perfect conditions. It's showing up heart first, no matter what. And let me tell you, sugar, some of my best shots came from days when everything went wrong. Rain, wind, bad hair, you name it. But I showed up anyway. That's why I keep it real. No fake, no fluff. And now, Granny's bringing that heart to y'all. Roasting pics, zapping distractions, turning everyday shots into wall-hanging art. You won't find dry tutorials here. No monotone, no endless sliders. What you will get? Honest. No sugarcoating it critiques for beginners. Granny don't hold back, but she loves ya. Wild before and afters, sky swaps, object removal, color chaos, everyday shots turned into fine art wall pieces. Real talk on passion, creative blocks, and why AI can't replace heart. Pro tips from someone who's lived it. Plus southern sass and pet peeve rants that'll make you laugh and learn. Not just regurgitating what I saw on some YouTube tutorial last week. Real scars, real wins, real lessons from years in the trenches. Watch this. Boring sky, gone. Distracting pole, zapped. That's Granny's magic. Quick, wild, always with love. Plenty more where that came from. So come on in, pull up a chair, grab your sweet tea. We're gonna have some fun making your photos pop and your confidence soar. If you're tired of boring tutorials or feeling stuck, hit subscribe, ring that bell, come hang out with Granny. We'll laugh, learn, and make your photos shine. Next up, Granny roasts a real beginner's messy shot. Don't you dare miss it. That's all Granny's got for today, sugars. Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon. Granny'll be a-waitin'.